Good morning, New York. Summer Touch Delay. Welcome to channel. This is Midtown Manhattan, 6th Avenue. So I'm going to show you guys a beautiful place. So you see, trees are very beautiful. A Pyrex. Wow. So this is the bus station. If anyone wants to see you, the Radio City is coming next. If you can see from here, Radio City is very famous hall in New York City. Carnegie Hall, Javits Center. So those three is the most famous theater show in New York City. Look at the lobby of the Here you go. Now we are in the Radio City Music Hall. Radio City Music Hall. Yep, look at this building. Oh my goodness. So this is how we explore in Manhattan. The how many buildings here? gozaimasu. Oh. Merry Christmas, sir. Hey, now here I am at Rock Party Plaza. Rock Party Plaza. Yeah. Flags. I used to hear all the countries flag here. But now that's over one. It's building, Grand Plaza building. So next time I'm gonna go to the top Plaza. Okay, next time I'll show you guys. Next time I go here. Yeah. Okay, subway. Subway right here. Now I'm going to subway.